Hey there, Ryoma again. 3 years ago, I was totally new to this, working a 9 to 5 and dreaming of earning extra cash online. Now I earn over $1,000 a month promoting products. My secret? Subscribe to my channel and I will share without reservation. Today I'll show you how I do that. From one side, yep, even ad accounts can skyrocket your reach and profits, plus how to start step by step. Let's get rolling. The only thing I do is use multiple accounts across platforms. It's when you use different accounts on platforms like Instagram, YouTube, or even ad systems like Google Ads or Facebook Ads to promote your affiliate products. Think of it like having multiple shop windows. Each one reaches new people. For me, it's running 2 Instagram profiles, a YouTube channel, and a couple of ad accounts to share fitness gear links. More accounts, more exposure, more sales. First, more accounts mean more reach. Each account targets different people, like one Instagram for gym buffs, another for runners. Second, ad accounts boost your chances. Running ads on multiple accounts like on Facebook or Google gets your links in front of high-converting audiences. Third, more exposure equals more profits. My single Instagram account earned $40 a month, but adding a second account and a Google Ads account pushed it to $500. Plus, if one account gets limited, like by platform rules, others keep your income flowing. In affiliate marketing, one account is never enough. You need multiple accounts to test different creatives, target different audiences, and spread your exposure. More accounts equals more reach. Simple. But here's the problem. If you log into all those accounts from the same laptop or IP, platforms like Meta can detect it. They'll think you're a bot farm or spammer and start blocking or banning your accounts, even if you're playing by the rules. To solve this, I use MoreLogin. It gives me a clean, unique environment for each account. Different IP, different cookies, different fingerprints. That means I can safely manage 10 or more accounts from one laptop, and every account looks and behaves like it's running on its own real device. I get more reach, more traffic, and most importantly, no bans. Want to know more about it? Keep watching.
First, search for MoreLogin and register an account. Enter your account. Also, you can sign up directly through Google account. Then, download and install MoreLogin. This takes some time. Be patient, and once it's done, log into your account. If you use the link I provide, you'll get 150 free profiles for 14 days. Otherwise, you can only get 2 free profiles. Next, create a new profile on the home page. You can choose Chrome or Firefox, and browser versions are also available, but it is recommended to choose the latest one. MoreLogin is available for Windows, Mac OS, Android, and iOS operating systems. You can also customize fingerprint information. Proxy supports custom editions or direct purchases on the platform. If you have self-proxy like me, just enter the proxy info. Here, just paste all info in. It will automatically recognize and fill in, and check the proxy. Pass. After that, you can also pre-add account information and import cookies to quickly migrate data from other fingerprint browsers. Once all the information is filled in, click Confirm, and then click Start to begin. You can create more profiles to test them out. Each profile will have different languages, fingerprints, and time zones. Log into your different YouTube accounts in each profile, and you can easily manage them.
That's it. Using multiple accounts is like opening more doors to your affiliate marketing shop. Pick a product, set up a few accounts, and share cool tips to reach more people. Need help picking a product or setting up accounts? Drop a comment and I'll share tips just for you. If you love this, hit the thumbs up and subscribe for more beginner guides. Let's make money together. See you next time.